Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how to use the RectArea Light to light up your scenes in ThreeJS. So firstly I'll show you the output. So this is how the output looks like. Now I have one plane, one torus, one cube, and so I know the output might look a little weird, like we are not able to see anything. But this RectArea light is used in conjunction with other lights. So suppose if I have this ambient light as well, I'll just uncomment it. Then here you can see it looks much more better. But the direct ambient light is much more effective as compared to the RectArea light. That's why I wanted to show you the RectArea light first. But again, you can use it with other lights as well. So this is how the output looks like. So let's get started. So firstly I'm using Vite to create a simple Vite project. I'm using HTML, CSS and TypeScript template, but you can use whatever you feel like. Then if I show you my package.json, I have just installed ThreeJS, like 3 dependency which is used for ThreeJS, and in dev dependency I have added type/3 which will help us to work properly with TypeScript. Then inside index.html, as you can see, I have just added one canvas of id canvas. Style position is fixed, top left is 0 and outline is none, and here we are referencing our TypeScript file inside our HTML. Now if I go to my TypeScript file, these are all the imports, so if you want you can just copy paste all these imports. Then here we are getting hold of our canvas. Then I have creating one scene. Now to create the RectArea light, you can just use RectArea light, but RectArea light is only used for mesh standard material as well as mesh physical material. Okay, don't use it for any kind of other material. As you can see, I'm using a mesh standard material. This I think this is the color. I'm not really sure what are the other parameters. So second one is the intensity, and the third and fourth are width and height. Okay, then here I have created a mesh standard material, and here as you can see I have created one sphere, one cube, one torus and one plane, and I have added them to the scene. And here I have created sizes. I have created one perspective camera. I have added it to our scene. Then I have created orbit controls as well, and we are just creating one WebGL renderer, passing our canvas to it, and then calling renderer.setSize, sizes.width as well as sizes.height. And in case of resize, I just want to update the camera as well as the renderer. That's what I'm doing over here. And on double click, we are either entering or exiting the full screen mode. Here I have created one clock as well, in case if you want to do some kind of animation, you can do that. So yeah, so that's it. That's how you can use the RectArea light to light up your scenes in ThreeJS. Thank you for watching. Bye.